from Houseforce. Come here on the project. We're just going to install a security front door. It's down here that the client bought. It's actually going to go on the outside. This door's going to be backwards, so the inside's going to be outside and the outside's going to be inside because that's what the client wants. Yeah, so we're just about to install it now. Okay, we've just got the fixing plates in now. You can see it's going to be fixed into the wall. Top, middle and bottom, 3 places. We've just got the front door in and now we're about to make good where the old frame came out. Okay, the door's been finished off now, we've plastered. We've reversed the door because that's what the client wanted. And you can see we plastered it and then we've put a gottelade texture all the way around. Yeah, it's a nice finished job.